To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to remind you of wireless emergency alert every 2 minutes, you have to set the alert reminder option for the wireless emergency alert to every 2 minutes. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find safety and emergency. Tap safety and emergency. Tap wireless emergency alert. Scroll down the screen. Under alert preferences section, tap alert reminder and then select every 2 minutes. With this setting, when you receive a wireless emergency alert, your phone will ring or vibrate every 2 minutes to notify you about the alert until you open the notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.